At this point, I am just flaunting the volume of this hair. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluwafumi Priscilla, and today, as you can see from the title, we're doing hair stuff. Now first of all, let's give a round of applause for this look. This light beat that I just did in like 10 minutes, and I did it for you guys because on a norm I don't do this much makeup, but because I wanted to be a YouTube video, I felt like I needed to do something extra for you guys. So yeah, I think it looks really cute. Okay, so let's get straight into the video. So I posted my hair vlog and you guys really loved it. It did a lot of numbers, and a lot of you guys were asking for what my maintenance routine is like and how you can style your hair. So this is majorly a styling video, but in case you're wondering why I'm in a bonnet, is because I'm going to be showing you guys a 3 weeks update, and we're going to be doing the maintenance together. It's time to unbox this hair. Okay, be patient. We're getting somewhere. It's actually not that bad. This is my hair at 3 weeks, and personally I feel like it's holding up well. I mean, like, this is synthetic hair. What do you guys think? Keep in mind that I haven't been doing a lot of maintenance. I can see some pieces that already need a little bit of trimming, so we're going to do the trimming together.
It's really not that bad. It just needs a little shaping.
So now I'm just going to spray all shine on it to give it more shine. I don't know if you guys can see a difference, but I definitely can. See how oily my hand is. And that is all for the maintenance I do, you guys, for real. Like, that's all I do with this hair. I don't use mousse and I don't use leave-in conditioner because I feel like it's going to pull down the coils and make it lose its curliness faster. Now let's get into the styling of this hair. This is the first hairstyle, just a simple side part. This is really my everyday hairstyle. I don't really do much, to be very honest. I just turn my hair to the side, or sometimes I do the other side, and I'm good to go. Now for the second hairstyle, we're going to be using an headband. I have black, nude, and red. I don't think I want to use nude. I'm caught between red and black. I think I'm going to be sticking with the black. So we're going to take this band across your head. We're going to bring that over here and then bring some of the hair out. So this is the second hairstyle, and I think it's really cute. You can go out for brunch. In fact, you can go for an errand like this if you're just tired of the basic side parts. Just throw on a headband, whatever color you feel like. And yeah, so for the third hairstyle, I'm going to be doing a low ponytail. Now for that, you can use any scrunchie you have at home, preferably something big. In fact, you could still use your headband and just double it, do it twice. I think this might be easier because of the volume of my hair. I'm going to try my butterfly earrings. Really cute. So that's hairstyle number 3. This next hairstyle, I want to try a hairstyle that I've actually never tried before, and to be honest, I'm very skeptical about if it's going to work with this hair or not. So I'm going to try a half up, half down on this hair, and for this I want to leave some pieces in the front just to cover my edges. Guys, is it giving? On camera it's not giving what I think it's giving. I don't know, guys, you tell me, what do we think? Anyway, so for the last 2 hairstyles that I want to try, I'm going to be using silk scarves. So I'm going to flip my hair now and tie this into a bun. So because we didn't do any leave out in the front and at the back, you can see my sewing, and to cover that we could use a headband once again, and you have a hairstyle. You can also decide to tuck in the curls if they are a little bit overstimulating, you can tuck them under your scarf. So this is really, really cute. Let me show you what the back looks like. Now for the final hairstyle, it's going to be actually something similar to this, but instead of the band, we're going to use a scarf. We're going to take another silk scarf, fold it like this, then bring this end up. So you're going to have something square like this. So you're going to take that to the back and wrap these two sides around your head. Extra points if you are wearing a scarf that matches your outfit, by the way. So this is the final hairstyle. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. I really had fun doing this with you guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you in the next video. Bye.